Hello lovers of Bobo Kitty Fashion, welcome to another episode. Today we are going to be unboxing necessary stuff you need to get for your installation hair revamp at home. So first we are going to start with a steam pot. We obviously know that we have a straightener, but a steam pot also is very important as it has added benefits. So I'm just showing the packaging. So with our steam pot, always make sure you use your steam pot with water. So this is a small compartment where you are going to fill in the water, and that's the water bottle. So what you do is you get very clean water, and you fill before use. This is very important as it's going to protect your hair from heat damage. I'm going to do a more detailed demonstration on how to use this later, but for now we are just doing an unboxing video. And after doing that, you just gently slide back in, not a tussle at all. Next we are going to get into our revamp bag. So just so you know, if you don't have a revamp bag, you can always revamp your wigs. You can put it in a plastic bag, you tie, and then you put in hot water, very hot water, and you cover. Don't let the vapor get out. Alternatively, you could just get a revamp bag, which is more easier and faster to use. So it comes with a plug-in and a little remote attached to it. Turn on and off, and the speed as well. Very easy to use. I'll also make a detailed video on that as this is an unboxing video. I'm just trying to let you know some basic things you need to revamp your hair at home. And after revamping your wig, you can always remove the plastic and clean. But there is one additional tip: you can always put your wig in a ziplock bag before placing in the revamp bag. That way you don't have to clean up the bag each time you use, and it's going to preserve the bag and make it last longer. So these are just some additional tips you can always use when revamping your wig using an electric revamp bag. So you just put in your wig and you zip. to bleach our knots, which is our closure or frontal or 360. To bleach our knots, sorry about that. Everyone makes mistakes. To bleach our knots, we are going to be using our bleaching cream and our color. And then next, to shampoo our hair, we are going to be using Tresemme. It's a very good brand, actually. I recommend. But you can use any other brand of your choice, obviously. This is also very important when you're revamping your wig. It's very important you wash your wig first. And after washing your wig and rinsing out the water, we go into our revamp. And these are the main products I use for my revamp. So you mix with your oils and then you massage into the hair, and then you place in your revamp bag. Like I said earlier, you can always use a Ziploc bag. Put the hair in a Ziploc bag before putting into a revamp bag. That way everything is not so nasty and you need to clean up each time. Just like using foil paper on oven tray, it's just the same way. It eases your work a little bit. So next, we are just looking at a coily comb. And for our coily wig, I use Louders and mix with water and spray on the hair and gently comb. There's also another option where you don't need to mix with water. You can always go for it. So like I said earlier, this is an unboxing video. I was trying to include some stuff and buy some stuff which I already finished. So these are just a little bit of the stuff. Also, this coil comb comes with this, which you can use to have a larger surface, have a larger comb to work on a larger surface. Then we have our dryer. Then we have our sticky wax, we have our hair pins and every other thing that couldn't be included in the video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll be posting more revamp content.